and pink. And they're both 20, guys.
Oh yeah, he got white.
And blue.
And blue too. That's crazy.
We get one, get one.
Only OG know. It's trash.
We're not wearing those glasses. Why am I wearing it? I'm not
don't think we're compatible. It's just not impossible. No, we all kind of selfish, baby.
We're going to Goodwill and we're gonna spend hours in here. But the whole gang is here.
Okay, what you kidding away, bro? I come this way, you go here. Go where you come.
Because they need swimsuit.
It's not that hot.
It is. It's too hot out here, y'all. Y'all don't even understand. I need water. Hey, you guys. Welcome back to your girls YouTube channel. I didn't even start my vlog today. I was just talking. But this is day 4 in Avila. Anyways, so we're going to the water park today. We went to church this morning. I'm going to insert those clips. There's more over here, too. Went to church. Went to Goodwill. Trying to go to the water park and get turned out. But
It's like, look at the crags I'm wearing, bro. I can't believe I let that. I'm like,
but I will see you guys when we get to. Their Walmart is big and they have like different food like in Walmart. I mean, we have like one restaurant in Walmart or two, but we have a lot. But I will see you guys when we get. So y'all don't like none of it.
Target it is, bro. Bro, they're going to get chicken at this time.
This is literally. This is their.
I got that right here, though, so.
Anyways, I'm warming up food to eat. This is potato grits. Potato grits. Here's nothing going on right now. I'm not doing no makeup. I'm just gonna do my edges and pull my ponytail down. So I'll catch you guys when we're on the way to the party or something, because there's really nothing that going on. I'm trying to edit, but I'm in the room to me talking. So I'll catch you guys
Are you on your way? Are you coming home to me? No parking in the way. So I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret.
Alright, y'all, we are back home. It's 3, it's almost 4. And I do want to still go to the Friendship Garden, but we're back home. Alright, y'all. Bye. Today, I'm gonna miss it. I'm gonna back here. Miss it. Trust. I'm gonna be back here. But anyway, so I'm about to take a shower and I'm stacking my stuff. I'm about to take a shower so I can pack everything. I wanted to go to the Friendship Garden before I leave, but because of time, I don't know. But let me take a shower and I'll be back to the journal list to do. I want to do something before I leave. Usually I leave the earth around 5 because I think that's it. You know, African time, I don't have time to do this much. I don't have money. So, let me take a shower. Everything is like so close to the house. We just walk to the African store and get some apple. I don't know. I feel like
You're gonna be reminiscing about when California when she go back.
different country call it different thing, I think. But yeah, I just got that to go to the airport. This is the outfit. I'm wearing the
It's
same.
not burning today.
I know, right? I'm wearing the same fit I wore to come here. I need to go do my edges.
I jaywalk to sit out my way every single day, y'all. Jaywalking is the way to go. It's my airport fit, y'all. Not the slides though.
Okay, you guys, so I just landed. I'm so tired. Honestly, it's been a long day. I'm gonna just tell you guys or like talk to you more when I get to my house, to my room. But I'm on my way to go. I'm on my way to go get my bag right now. Yeah, so basically that's all that's going on right now. Alright, y'all, I said I was gonna talk to you about what's going on or what happened. So basically, child, we were supposed to go to the Friendship Garden and it wasn't open. Like they were fixing something. Let me pause my show. They were fixing something and they were basically remodeling something and they're gonna be reopening it tomorrow. Actually today because it's already Tuesday. I haven't slept since when I get off work today. I need to take a fat nap because I haven't slept. What else? Alice's mom, she told me she was gonna make us fried potato greens and I was supposed to bring it home for my family. And this woman went off and cooked 5 different soups. So I ended up coming with an extra suitcase. What else? I did like my trip. I had fun. I did have a lot of more stuff or like different stuff in mind that I wanted to do, honestly, but I still have fun. Am I going to go back? Yes, of course. I'm planning on going back in 3 to 2 months, depends on time. So yeah, that's that. As of right now, my goal is to just work, and work. Okay, I don't have time for no game, no time to play. I literally have work in like an hour. I'm about to get up and go take a shower actually. But overall, I didn't tell you, I almost missed my flight. Oh my god, I'm gonna ask Alice for the video. I was running around that airport looking crazy. They even made an announcement calling my name. That's how bad it was. I'm just glad I'm home because I could not afford to miss work. I don't even know if I still have a job. Like, I know I'm gonna get a write-up. I think this is my last write-up, and then anything else I'm gonna get fired. But I don't know. I'm scared to go into work because I don't know what's gonna happen. But let me go take a shower and get ready for it.